How to scan like a pro with your phone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan documents like a pro using just your phone and the Cam Scanner app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Cam Scanner app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, grab it from the App Store or Google Play. Tap the camera icon or scan button at the bottom to start a new scan. Now point your camera at the document. Make sure it's placed on a flat, well-lit surface with no shadows. Cam Scanner will automatically detect the edges of your document. If needed, you can manually adjust the corners by dragging them. Once the frame looks good, tap the shutter button to capture the scan. On the next screen, choose from filters like Auto, Magic Color, or B&W to enhance the scan. Magic Color usually gives the clearest results. Next. And rename your file for better organization. You can also scan multiple pages by tapping Add Page. Once you're done, hit the Share icon to export as PDF or image, or save it directly to your phone. You can also sync your scans by signing into your Cam Scanner account and backing up to the cloud. And that's it. Now you can scan like a pro right from your phone using Cam Scanner. Thanks for watching. That's all for the video.